Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change your iPhone Siri voice. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to settings. After that, we need to scroll down a little and click Siri and search. And here you can click Siri voice. And here we have 5 voices. For example, voice 1.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Or voice number 3.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And you
Hi,
can
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
choose any voice. But if you want to change language, you need to go back and click language. And here you can choose any language or Siri. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.